I love Agra. I'm surprised there's actually a metro station, even though Agra is basically a small town. This is Taj Mahal. Wow. But you can see, wow, the gate. Hi, good morning friends. I'm in New Delhi station. Now it's 7:15 and in 5 minutes the train will depart. I just went here, that's why I'm so sweaty. And we're gonna go to Agra. Here it is. To Agra. So today we're gonna go to New Delhi, and if we got the ticket, maybe tonight we go to Varanasi. So actually the ticket is finished, but I bought the non-reservation, which is quite cheap. It's only 90 rupee. So let's go and see the front. Like this. Put it there. We are leaving on time at 7:20. No, actually it's 7:22. There. Yeah. And this is the train. It's non-reserved. Unfortunately, even though it's non-reserved, it's quite empty. It's to Agra. So let's enjoy the journey, have some breakfast, and that's it. We are leaving New Delhi, and we're gonna pass the Yamuna River, the sacred river. Hi, hello guys. So we have arrived at Agra Cantonment. Now it's 11:21. So it's late by maybe 40 minutes or 50 minutes. Now I need to look for a ticket. We're gonna go to Varanasi. Hopefully there's a ticket for tonight. And after that I will go to Taj Mahal. So follow me. That's our train. So this is the final stop. And I think we need to go from this ramp. Hi guys, so I just bought the ticket. The queue actually is not that long, only like 6 people, but I don't know, the counter works very slow. So in the end I just try to use Make My Trip, which is very fast, and I got the waitlist ticket. Hopefully we can go to Varanasi tonight. And so now I'm going to Taj Mahal. I think it's one of the 7 wonders of the world. So let's go, and now I'm gonna take a tuk-tuk from here. It's about, I think, about 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 minutes. So here you can see it says I love Agra. There. I love Agra. And here's the tuk-tuk. They ask for 150 or more, but you can negotiate. Yeah, hello.
Hello,
By the way, what's your name?
my name is Manish.
Manish.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. My name
Nice
is
to meet you.
My name is Obey.
Obey.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Obey.
Okay, thank you. So now we are going to
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. Okay. So this is Agra, yeah?
This is the Agra.
Uh,
Very small city.
small city.
Yeah, Agra is not so big.
Yeah, but it used to be the capital of the Mughal Empire, yeah?
Yeah, capital
Before
of
they
Mughal
moved to
Empire.
Delhi.
Before, yeah.
Yeah. Guys, I have arrived just outside of Taj Mahal complex. You can see there's a statue there, a golden statue, but I don't know who is actually depicted there. But I'm surprised there's actually a metro station, even though Agra is basically a small town. But they have a metro station there, Taj Mahal metro station. And here we are going in. This is the gate. These are places of interest in Agra. Taj Mahal that we are going now. Agra Fort if we have time, because the train station actually is near the Agra Fort. It's called Agra Fort train station. And there are many other places like Fatehpur Sikri. And here also you can see Samadhi of Swamiji Maharaj. Okay, it's like more than 10 kilometers. It's not exactly in Agra. Well, anyway, this is Agra. You can see some electric bus and metro station, but it's still not in Google Map. So now let's go in. There are many monkeys here. See, so just be careful. They can take your stuff, like water bottle there. Okay, many chipmunks also. There are many explanations here, like the dream of Taj Mahal, Shah Jahan, 19 names of Allah in the tombs. Shah Jahan's grave lies next to Taj Mahal. So it's like that. Many more explanations along the way. See, like that one also, the site for Taj. So here there are many information while we walk. It's chosen near the peaceful riverside and sharing visibility from Agwa Fort. See, this is the fort and this is the Taj Mahal. Wow, I think we're going that way. But I see that locker room is over there. We can actually store our bags. It's mandatory to store our bags. You cannot bring in anything other than personal belongings like phones, wallet, camera, water. Let's go. Here, this is 20 rupees per locker per bag, so I paid 50 for 2 bags and laptop. Okay, that's fine. Guys, I just bought the ticket online, so there's a discount of 50 rupees if you buy online. Even though there's some, admin fee and everything, so basically I paid 1260. But if you paid directly, it's 1300, including the 200 rupees for entering the mausoleum itself. So let's go to the main complex. That's the gate already. Let's go. Guys, so included in the ticket is right there. There is a water, so you get free water and shoe cover, so it's complimentary. And now we just go in. So actually I'm told by the guide, otherwise no one will know. We are entering via the west gate, Taj Mahal. So we came from the west gate and this is the main courtyard, and I'll show you in front of me. It's very amazing. And this is the main gate. I think earlier you saw some domes, several marble domes there. And this is the main gate into the Taj Mahal. So maybe I'll just show you the map. We enter from here, Fateh Puri Gate, and we are here forecourt facing the main gate. And now we're gonna pass the main gate and we'll see the main mausoleum with the mosque on the left and I don't know, Mehman Kana. So this is it. This is Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Wow. And you can see the mosque there. And also on the right, though it's not a mosque, but I don't know. And I read that you can only take videos up to here. You cannot take video there, but let's see. Since probably we cannot take video there, I'll just show you around this part first, because there are some galleries showing the civilization in India. Here you can see the Paleolithic culture and Indus Valley Harappan civilization and Mauryan period. So these religious structures, monasteries, you see Sanchi Stupa, Asoka, the first Asokan rock edict, and so turns to Buddhism. That's why you can see more Maurya and so on. So basically this is the portico, or I mean like the colonnade on the south side of Taj Mahal. See, we were here, Elephanta Caves and so on. So you can appreciate the beauty and the rich culture of India. Okay, we will go there. Actually, why I'm here basically because I just took picture with the professional I wanna try. So they ask 40 rupees per picture. I just say I'll take 3 pictures for 100. So that's it. And now I'm just gonna go to the toilet, which is at the corner, before we continue there, because it's not a very big complex. Oh, here also, this is Elora. We were there. Very good. And the toilet over there. And we'll see if we can take videos towards the main building. This is actually part of the March of Indian Civilization. So it shows villages, sculptures, and moving with the time also. So slowly it's changing. I mean, like there is some changes. Like now it's like the Islamic architecture, 15th century. But the most famous is usually around 16th century during the Mughal period, which is this one. Even before that, also like the Gujarat, we visited this one, Sidi Said Mosque and the Jama Masjid in Ahmedabad. And here, the Mughal period, Akbar's tomb. We didn't visit, but you know, a lot of things like the Red Fort. We were there yesterday. And finally, okay, it's not here. I thought this is the Taj Mahal, but this is the mini Taj Mahal, Bibika Maqbarah. We were there also in Aurangabad. See? And we're also here, so you can check all the videos. This one is the Golden Temple in Amritsar, and so on and so forth. We'll continue later. Now we are going to the main mausoleum.
Number is 18th generation. By
This is the mosque.
like forefather of my ancestor was from Iran. So now after population around 3.5
Taj Mahal. Here's some explanation about the mosque and Jamat Khana, built in 1631 to 48. Well, actually that's the years of the commissioning of the Taj Mahal itself. 1631 and finished in 1648. I think you already know the story about the Taj Mahal. Basically, it's built by Shah Jahan for his beloved wife. Even though that's not his first wife. Mumtaz Mahal is actually his fourth wife, I think. And this is the Juma Mosque. It's only open for Friday prayer. And there's an extra copy on the other side. You can see the red there. Although that one is not a mosque, but for assembly hall. So it's actually just to flank the main monument to make it even more beautiful and in frame. So to get in, you need to pay additional 200, which I already did. So let's go to the mausoleum. Or maybe let's check the mosque a little bit. It looks good, right? Again, the Friday Mosque, located on the side of the main monument or the main building, Taj Mahal, which is constructed on the right bank of the Yamuna River, the sacred river. Wow. And you can see Agra Fort over there. We'll go near there, even though we will not go inside. So, from his fort, Shah Jahan could actually take a look at this wonderful monument for his wife. So I heard it was Mumtaz Mahal herself who told Shah Jahan to actually show his love by building this monument for her when she passed away. Let's go to the main monument and check the engravings. You can see the marbles. So this is the marble and the lattice work. Wow. And there's a room inside. That's why there is a door. Very nice, right? Okay, let's get in. Photography prohibited inside the main mausoleum. But you can see, wow, the gate, white marble. And that's the twin of the mosque. And here you can see towards the main gate. And this is the mosque. Okay, let's go inside. No video. Guys, so I'm out on the north gate of the Taj Mahal monument. So no video or photography inside, but it's really great. You can see the tomb of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, his wife. But the real tomb is actually underground. There's actually stairs leading underground, but we couldn't enter. And they showed us how it's really good. I show you like this. Of course, this one is carvings, marble carvings. But these are precious stones. See, by hand. Like inside there is like one flower with 64 stones. So if you light it, it will actually light up. See, like this one, very good. Yeah, I don't know who stole this, but it's like this, very nice. And this is the technique copied by the people who make the Abu Dhabi Grand Mosque. And of course the Arabic letters. Wow, this is really good. And so since we came out on the north, we again face the river, the Yamuna River, which is really nice. And you can see some of the minarets. Nice, right? Across the Yamuna River, you can see there are many animals refreshing themselves. And here, there's a viewpoint to see the Taj Mahal. And it starts raining a little bit, so we might need to hide. Maybe under this. Amazing. Guys, so there is Taj Mahal. It's fantastic. And this the other side. It's not the mosque, but it's the copy of the mosque. It's for assembly hall. So I think I'm gonna visit a small museum over there, and that will be it. I just came out from the museum, Taj Mahal Museum. It's actually a water palace. It's on the east and west. That's why there's another copy there. But only this one actually turned into a museum. Basically, it have many pictures and calligraphy and also decree, with calligraphy also. And interesting thing is actually you can see the drawing, the real portrait, of course by painting, of Shah Jahan and also of Mumtaz Mahal. And of course also the Taj Mahal itself when it was just finished. So it's interesting, but you cannot take any video or photograph. Anyway, so we'll be going because now it's already, let me check, I think already 4:15. Yeah, 4:19 actually, and we'll go to the train station. Hopefully we get the waitlisted ticket. If not, maybe we'll buy, just buy non-reserve. Let's go. That's the south gate. It leads directly to the old market. But since we store our luggage outside the west gate, so we're gonna exit from here. Guys, so I lost my key to the locker. I don't know, I just put it in my bag, but it's gone like that. So fortunately they can find the spare key and I just need to pay 50 rupee. Anyway, So even though Google Maps doesn't say, doesn't have any information regarding public transportation in Agra, fortunately, remember earlier we saw the metro, Taj Mahal Metro. So there's a metro actually here, and it's connected to Agra Fort. I think only one station. So let's take that so we can try the metro, and from there I think we can walk to the train station, the Agra Fort train station. So let's see, it's very new. I think it just opened March 2024, so just few months. Let's see.
Now on the market. Leather market.
Mahal Metro. Agra Metro. It's very new. See? And we are at the platform now. You can see that it's so empty. Wow, Agra already have a metro station. See?
Doors will open on the right.
Some lines are still closed because it's really new.
Metro station.
Yeah,
Agra Metro
here.
welcomes.
Let's go.
This train is bound.
This is the end of the line for now. I think next year maybe it will be longer. It's Mangkameswar. And you can see that this is already the Red Fort. I'll show you. See that side? That's already part of the Red Fort. And we're gonna go to the Agra Fort train station. There's also a Juma Mosque. I can see a little bit. Also built by Shah Jahan. Let's see. Wow. That's Agra Fort. And our metro station from there. And you can see now already we have electric buses here in Agra. Many of them actually. And you can see some a lot of rickshaw, tuk-tuk, auto. No. Yeah, people will always ask you for auto. You can already see the train there. Zero emission, 100% electric bus. Yeah, the railway is over there. Yeah, that's a Juma Mosque. So actually, if you have a few days in Agra, you can visit many places because this used to be the capital of the Mughal Empire because it was moved to Delhi. So starting from Akbar until Shah Jahan, when Shah Jahan later moved the capital from Agra to Delhi. Agra Fort, a railway station. It's this one. Let's cross the street. It's this one. Just besides Agra Fort, one of the walls. Okay, let's cross. See? Entrance. Hopefully we can get ticket non-reservation. Cheaper, but we might not be able to sleep. I just purchased the ticket to Varanasi from Agra, 600 kilometers, 610 actually. Only 190 rupees because this is non-reserved. You might not even get a seat and might need to stand for 13 hours journey by night. Wow, let's go to the main building. Oh, maybe let's look for dinner. We'll buy this omelette bread, 50 rupees. It's basically 2 eggs and 2 bread. There's the bread. And this is the result, 50 rupees. Let's try. No. That's a good lunch slash dinner. Right in front of the Red Fort, Agra Fort, and the train station. Here. Okay, let's go and wait inside. This is the platform. Still monkeys. Really nice. So we go to platform number 2. We need to cross the overpass there. The Red Fort of Agra, Agra Fort. and monkey, the train station. And you can see the Juma Mosque there. Okay, let's go platform 2. This is the real general ticket, unreserved. You can see people are standing. They just arrive and people come down there. So if our train, it's very possible it looks like this. We might not be able to sleep at all. And I don't even know whether we can get in or not. So let's pray. Guys, the train is coming. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see whether we can get a seat or not. If we don't get a seat, maybe I'll waive it. I'll stay here another night. It's from Jodhpur to Varanasi. Okay, it's quite full. Yeah. Okay. Maybe we cannot get in.
Ikuti terus Bang Jago, sampai jumpa.